We've been looking at windy conditions throughout the day, and if you look at your planner tonight, if you're going to be heading out, the winds will still be consistent up until a little bit later on this evening. Then the winds will gradually begin to weaken. But if you're going to be heading out, again, just realize the wind's going to be hanging around. Temperature is going to be generally in the 60s for us now. And if you notice our 7-day wind gust tracker, we're going to be right around 35 to 40 all the way through the next several days, right on into at least the early part of the weekend. Then the winds come down a bit, just in time for your Sunday. Then they pick up on Monday at 35. And then if you look here, once we head into Tuesday, the winds start to drop off a little bit at 20 miles an hour. So we are expected to bring in some cooler air behind a cold front that'll be passing through here on Thursday. In the meantime, if you look at our latest Future Track computer model, yeah, from time to time, we're going to continue to track some of the clouds out there. We are not expecting any rain tomorrow. I think on Thursday, potentially, we can't rule out a little sprinkle. If you notice here, our latest model run, this is 2 o'clock Thursday afternoon, and you can maybe pinpoint a few sprinkles out there. This is by no means going to be any big-time rain event coming our way, but certainly the winds and some light stuff certainly possible. And if you look at our latest Future Track computer model, we roll the model here through Thursday. This is the model projection, how much rain potentially we could see. And if you look here, not a lot whatsoever. Maybe some trace amounts where you see a sprinkle, just not enough to measure out there. So I wouldn't be too excited about maybe seeing some rain if you planted that garden. Cold front comes in here. That'll kick up the winds on Thursday. It will also draw in some cooler air. So we're going to be talking about temperatures dropping down into the 60s once we head into your Thursday. So maybe a light jacket because we will be dealing with some wind chills. 57 for the overnight low. Partly cloudy skies. Again, the winds gradually decrease tomorrow. Looking at 77 degrees out ahead of that cold front. So it will be a warm day tomorrow, but as we talked about, the winds will be a little gusty as well. 74 overnight for you folks in Las Cruces. Watch over the next several days. Slight chance of rain Thursday. Again, we go from 77, 64 on your Thursday, 65 on Friday. Then the temperatures gradually begin to warm up, but you notice some pretty consistent winds, at least all the way through right around Monday or so, and we'll keep temperatures hovering right around 70 mark.
Okay, Doppler.